just something about the way she moves. Ooh, it's something about kind of woman that wants you but don't need you. Hey, I can't figure it out. It's something about.
Kia.
Okay, I'll have a look. Yeah. Thank you.
And she move like a boss, do what a boss do. She got me thinking about getting involved. That's the kind of girl I need.
Remember I showed you the microwave and the computer?
That's why I love her.
Vacuum only. Start cleaning.
She got her own thing. That's why.
No hands. Good job.
What's this, Daddy? What's this? Just for you, Daddy. It's just for you. No more Clark.
My car.
Just still making conversation.